Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fresh mozzarella cheese from scratch. We'll begin by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 gallon of good quality whole milk, preferably not ultra-pasteurized, as it helps with curdling. We'll also prepare our citric acid and liquid rennet solutions, which are crucial for the cheese-making process. Finally, have some kosher salt on hand for seasoning our delicious homemade mozzarella. Now let's get the magic started. Begin by gently heating your gallon of cold whole milk to exactly 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius. Once at temperature, remove it from the heat and stir in your citric acid solution. Next, incorporate the rennet mixture, stirring for precisely 25 seconds. Then, cover the pot and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing those beautiful curds to form. With your curds formed, it's time to prepare them for stretching. Carefully cut the curds into a crosshatch pattern directly in the pot. Then, place the pot back on medium-low heat and gently warm the curds to 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Using a slotted spoon, transfer the curds to a strainer, allowing them to drain for about 15 seconds while gently squeezing out excess liquid. We're almost there. First, season the leftover whey with 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. Now, heat a small pot of this seasoned whey to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. Dip your curds into the hot whey for about 15 to 20 seconds to make them soft and pliable. Then, stretch and fold the cheese 4 to 6 times until it's smooth and uniform, finally shaping it into beautiful mozzarella balls.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.